Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have another unboxing from Influenster. They've sent me some packages, so let's open them up together. The first box that we're going to open up is this one that is from Robitussin and Theraflu. So we're going to move these other two and get started. So this is from their new line. It says that it is a sample pack for me to try. So these are the two items. Well, one of them are the sore throat like lozenges, and it says they have it in honey and also elderberry. So this is their new product that's coming out. It is for cough and sore throat, and this is the one that they sent me. So I got the honey. This is a smaller pack. It's only 8 of them, but actually this is right on time because it's starting to get cold. I literally got sick last week. That's why my voice may sound like this a little bit. So it's right on time, and I actually need them today. It's for ages 12 and up. It has the menthol, like the regular cough drops. And it says it temporarily relieves cough due to minor throat irritation. And yeah, so I'm actually going to try one of these right now as we're talking, like after we're done with this video, and I'll be able to answer any questions that you guys may have. So definitely go ahead and leave them in the comments. The next one we have is the Theraflu Flu Relief Max Strength. So they have like an all new formula, I'm guessing, and it has acetaminophen, and it's to, of course, a fever reducer and to relieve pain. The flavor for this one looks to also be honey, so they pretty much sent me the same, you know, flavors or for the products. Okay, and so just like the other product, they're basically having 2 new lines. They're launching a honey flavored line and then an elderberry, which we know elderberry has been very, you know, well known since COVID. And they say that this product lasts up to 6 hours for relief, and it's long lasting and fever fighting formula. So I might need both, to be honest, because I am still feeling very sick, but I'm excited to try it, and I'm so glad they sent me this right in time for the cold weather. So let's get into the next product. The next product we have is from a company called Matrix, and they have hair products, and it says food for soft. So I'm guessing it makes the hair like very soft, you know, feeling moisturized. So they sent me the Rich Hydrating Treatment Mask, which I could assume from the box, like I told you guys, it's probably hydrating products and whatnot. And then I also have a hydrating shampoo. And as a girly with 4C hair, I always need like products that's very like hydrating. So give me a second to open these products. As you can see, I haven't even opened this box, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I got them open, and the first up is the Rich Hydrating Treatment Mask. It says that it's infused with avocado oil and hyaluronic acid, and it replenishes hydration even in the driest hair. Okay. And it's ideal for every wash. So let's open it and see if we smell that avocado that they're talking about. This smells really good. It's not like so much fragrance where you think that it's like being masked, and it's very, very thick. It's not runny at all. Let me show you guys, like upside down, it is not falling. So we know that that's always for me a great sign of like a product that's gonna hold moisture. I can smell the avocado. It also smells like shea butter as well. I wonder if that's one of the products in here. This says sunflower seed. I see some soybean, the avocado oil. I don't think I see the shea, but that's what I smell as well. But I actually really like this. I do. I think it's gonna be very hydrating. And this is it on my hands. Again, very thick. I think you guys would like this. I'm gonna try it out. And like I said, I've been meaning to do a video where I really review, like read my reviews to you guys. So I'm definitely gonna do that soon. Okay? And then the next product is their hydrating shampoo for all dry hair. And like I said, my hair gets really dry. It lacks moisture, so I could really use these products. And then it says that it's a hydrating shampoo infused with avocado oil and hyaluronic. So same thing. The ingredients on this one are a little bit longer, but some of the similar products. Okay. Now this one, it has less, it's less of a strong smell. In this one, I could taste, smell the sunflower oil more than the avocado, but it smells pleasant. Like if you wash your hair, it's gonna smell fresh. It's gonna smell like fresh flowers, pretty much. But I like it. And then I'm just gonna show you guys the consistency. Okay, it's a little white, milky. You know, shampoo doesn't, need to be thick or whatnot, but it smells really good. It smells like flowers. So let's get right into the next product. So this product is right in time for Thanksgiving. I love the Kinder's brand. Kinder's, if you're watching this, I need more products. Like, I absolutely love their products. My favorite products from them are definitely the seasonings, but their barbecue sauce actually is really good. Okay, so this is what I got just in time for Thanksgiving. We have the Butcher's Brine Kit, the bone broth gravy, roasted gravy. We got the prime rib seasoning and the roasted garlic brown butter. The description, okay? Roasted garlic brown butter seasoning. That sounds so good. I cannot wait. When I say I cannot wait to use this product, they sent it to the right person, okay? So it says the brine kit includes their buttery poultry blend seasoning and heavy duty brine bag and twist tie to be able for the turkey. The brine mix is balanced with salt, spices, and sugar. Okay, and then the next one is the bone broth gravy. It says it has a rich flavor and combines turkey bone broth, sea salt, garlic, and herbs. And all you have to do is add water to the gravy mix. Ready in minutes. Super fast, super easy. Season it to your taste, basically, if you would like. The next one is the prime rib seasoning. It has the sea salt, garlic, and a hint of sweetness for the prime rib. Okay, it says it works well with beef, lamb, and pork. And then the last one is the one that, intrigues me the most by the title. It's that roasted garlic brown butter seasoning. And it's a combination of the flavors with roasted garlic, brown butter, and it pairs well with beef, chicken, pork, and fish. I would not have thought fish would be one of the ones that it works for, but I'm gonna have to try it and let you guys know. But this is how it looks. Great size. This is the 7.8 ounce for the prime rib. And I'm just taking that top off to like smell the seasoning for you guys. This smells so good. Like I smell the peppers. It almost smells like lemony a little bit, but you can smell the spice, maybe like something spicy like red pepper or like chili pepper. Super, super good. Let's look at the back. What's on here? Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I was right. They got lemon peel, cane sugar. Didn't necessarily smell that, but that sunflower oil. People are loving the sunflower oil, okay? Not only in the food products, the hair products. We're starting to see that everywhere. Mustard seed. Oh, I love that. Okay. And chili pepper, like I said. Okay. It is 0 calories. And the salt is actually not as bad as some of the other seasonings on the market. So I say go out and get this, you guys. Let's smell the other one. Oh, y'all know I'm so excited for this one. Roasted garlic, brown butter. Do you hear me? I know we're gonna have the garlic. We're probably gonna have some of that sea salt again, some of that cane sugar. Let's see what's on the back. Okay, regular sugars, that sea salt, onion, garlic, caramel color, that sunflower oil, turmeric, okay, and brown butter. You know, one thing about the ingredients, it's not a whole bunch of ingredients. Again, 0 calories. Sodium is less than the other one. It's 100 milligrams. I look at that stuff now that I'm getting older. I know. But it's actually really important because I'm like, I don't need to be around him with high blood pressure or any of that other stuff. So I'm just watching what I use, watching what I eat. Oh, that brown butter is so strong in this. I know it's gonna be so good. Like I would use these on my ribs. I love like sugar and garlic on my ribs. I have a really good recipe. You guys need to watch it on my channel. This is gonna go crazy. I'm gonna make an updated video using my Kinder's seasonings. Y'all need to go get the recipe. This is gonna be so good. Oh my gosh. You know what this reminds me of? You know how everybody is stuck on like the cookie, brown butter, coffee? The brown butter is just doing it for me. It is. Like, okay. So this is the roasted turkey with sea salt and herbs. I'm gonna open it for you guys just so you guys can see. Instructions are pretty easy. You pour the packet in a cup of water, whisk it. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat, transfer to serving bowl. Super, super easy. So let's see. Sorry, I'll be really bad with opening these boxes all the time. So I have 4 of these roasted turkey packs, and so this is not gluten-free. The other one says gluten-free, so if someone is gluten-free, I just want you guys to know this does have wheat in it. So I just want to make that very, very clear for some folks. And that's one of the first ingredients is the wheat flour, but you can see this one is a little bit more salty, but of course we know that gravy is saltier. You know, so just keep that in mind, but I'm sure this tastes great. It has the cane sugar, sea salt, gelatin, which we know some of the gravy, some companies use that, but this is what it is, with sea salt and herbs. And this is the 4 ounce. Okay. And then lastly, we have the Butcher's Brine Kit, which I know that some people are going to need this, especially for Thanksgiving. I'm glad they sent it. This is a gluten-free product. The products that are gluten-free are always going to be labeled, for the most part, gluten-free. So make sure you're paying attention to that when you're choosing products. This is the Buttery Poultry Blend. Okay, a little less sodium than the gravy, but nonetheless, just be very aware of that. So it has salt, dehydrated garlic, spices, a red bell pepper, sunflower oil. Okay, that sunflower oil is key to a lot of their seasonings, clearly. And then we have the perfect for turkeys up to 20 pounds. Okay, so we're gonna open this. Here we go with the bag. We got the Thai that they were talking about. This is the seasoning, that Buttery Poultry Blend. And this is the rest. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I want to thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.